airport, waiting to go to Marrakech, and we just found out that our flight got delayed. So
A little bit, but that's not bad.
2 hours, little.
Our first flight got delayed, so we were worried we were going to miss it. Just
Yeah,
a little bit. You might need to watch back.
Still.
Something behind us.
Yeah, thought we were gonna die. Not really, but we'll see you guys when we get to the Airbnb. All right, guys, so it was some drama. We picked a really bad Airbnb and we had to kind of scramble and get a new one, and we only paid about like $150 to $200 more, and it just gets you so much more space. And that $150 to $200 is for the whole week. So sometimes you can't skimp on price, but we're gonna enjoy the rest of our Airbnb, or we're gonna enjoy the rest of our vacation. He's sweating bullets.
Yeah. Well, not quite. Not just yet, but I know I will be in a minute.
We just rode some quad bikes, and now we're gonna go on these lovely.
Harry. This one's pretty good on my leg. So yeah, we're finally more relaxed now. Ari definitely is. We're in a much nicer area. It's much easier to find our Airbnb now. As in, we're on normal streets, not like back alleys and all that kind of stuff. It wasn't necessarily a bad Airbnb, it was just very awkward to get around and get up. Okay. You can see Ari's expressions.
Morning. So we're let's do that over. At a place where they make argan oil.
Take three.
where they sell argan oil. So we're looking at how they make it. I'm in need of a tall, cold glass of Sprite. But I think it's gonna be a long time before I'm able to get even water. Like I just had something hot, but I need something to cool myself down. But I'm excited to see the art.
We remove the shell to give the nuts. Okay? So this is the nuts. Okay? And the second step, we break the nut to give a small almond.
Hey guys, so we're currently in the, what is it called?
Agafe.
Agafe. And we're having
Whatever this
some
is.
food. I don't know what this is, but
Pastry.
yeah, pastry. And yeah, it took us a little while to get here, and I am thirsty. And we're not so much hungry, but we're gonna eat.
I think we're about to see like a fire show and so on. They're currently feeding us. We just have to step away from the table because it's a bit hectic. But so far, I think there's plenty of tourists here. We've got the sunset behind us,
so beautiful.
and we're currently eating over there. There's a pool I don't think anyone's using, and yeah, we've got the mountains over there in the background somewhere.
We're so full from Lamida, but we about to eat this because, you know,
Paid,
yeah. All right, catch you guys later.
See you soon. Desert dinner thing, which we're yet to figure out whether we'd recommend or not, but
I wouldn't recommend it.
okay, well maybe not then. I mean, there were parts of it that were good.
Yeah.
But, yeah, it was a bit
hectic.
Yeah, just a bit chaotic or not very well planned.
Yeah.
Today we're just about to head out and go get some food and then maybe head around the Medina. We're not quite sure what we're doing today. We've had quite a late start.
No, this is Aladdin. No, the wife of Aladdin.
Okay, so we just nipped back to the Airbnb, hotel, whatever you want to call it, watch your stuff.
Yeah.
And we're now, you know, to charge phones, pick up a portable charger,
I'm starving.
grab a camera, and yeah, Ari's hungry now, but we're on the way back to where we were. We're walking though, it's 1.5 miles to get there. I think we're about 2/3 of the way. I'm hoping we're about 2/3
I think
of
we
the
have
way.
like 10 minutes left
Of what? Oh,
of
the walk.
walking.
I thought you meant of the markets.
No.
Yeah, so we'll see how it is when we get there. Hi guys, so we finally made it. It's been quite a while since we made the last vlog or checked in, but we're now eating ice cream. I've got menthol or mint. Ari got Oreo and Nutella. I don't know if you can see from what it's like around here. It's pretty hectic.
We're about to walk home.
Yeah, I think it's about time we're
It's
gonna start heading
craziness.
home. Hectic is an understatement. Like, I don't know what type of place I would have imagined this place to be, but sorry, there's a guy that just fell over behind us. Yeah, I guess we'll. Oh, there's a sky lounge over there. Sorry, I'm like, ooh, shiny. Look over.
All right, time to go out. We're actually not going home. I think we're gonna try to go to a rooftop bar or something.
Yeah, hookah or shisha,
Yeah.
or ashisha, or whatever you want to call it. I think it's different in every language.
Bye for now.
Au revoir.